how much speed you need it, and if you need the back one as well. Then if you think there is a little bit steam in the car, then you decide you need this to do as well. I prefer you do this before you start the car.
Mm-hmm.
Or sorry, before you move the car.
Mm-hmm.
So if you think it's too much steam, you can go with the buttons. Okay. So are you ready? Are you happy with it? Okay. So sometimes they will give you the set nav, maybe in the middle, in the half, is their choice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I will don't do this now. First I'll just do as normal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's move when you're ready, please.
So no set nav now.
Not now. I will when I give you later. Then I will let you know. Yep. Continue straight ahead, please. Now at the next street, can you take a right turn, please? After the zebra crossing, take a right turn, please. After this car, can you park up on the left side anywhere safe, please? That's fine. Let's secure your car. Okay, good. Now, I want you to move and take a left turn in the wood lane. They go two street. First is this one, and then there's a second one, which is called wood lane. Okay, so move when you're ready. Take a left turn, wood lane. Yep, that's the one. At the end of the road, turn left. Now we're approaching to the roundabout. I would like you to go straight, second exit. traffic light, if we can take a left turn. Another question, sometime when they're too quiet like this, they will just ask, okay, what do you do for the living? Alright, is it your day off? Alright, that's good. Alright, just to kill a little time, to make you a little bit comfortable and relaxed. Not very in the beginning of the test, but when you already driven about 5-10 minutes, then they do. Okay. Now if you can park on the left side anyway, safe please. That's fine, thank you. Secure your car. And drive when you're ready. Time, if you can park on the left side anyway, safe please. Okay, let me just give 1 second. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, let's move when you're ready. It's not settled then. When it's settled, then I will give you. Okay, just move when you're ready as normal. end of this road, turn right. At the end of this road, turn left. The traffic light, take a right turn please. End of the road, take a left turn please. signs are left turn. Avoid the water. Very good exit. Now I started this for you. Can you follow the sat nav code now onward? Okay. It will speak to you. That's what we will use now.
After 300 yards, turn left. Turn left. After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout, first exit. Go left on the roundabout, first exit.
Was that stone? I think. Yeah. Now, when it's safe, can you show me how you operate the back wiper? Thank you so much.
300 yards, turn left, then turn right. Turn left, then turn right. After 100 yards, turn right. Turn right.
Now if you can park up on the left and we're safe, please. So anywhere I think safe, you can park up, please. Okay, just keep the car. And drive when you're ready.
After 200 yards, turn right, then turn right. Turn right, then turn right. Turn right.
In your center line. Okay, the speed is not written here. We are going on national limit.
across the roundabout, second exit. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit. Then you have reached your destination. Go right on the roundabout, third exit. Then you have reached your destination.
We're not going to stop here for the destination.
Your destination.
Continue straight ahead. I will direct you back to normal. Now if you can take the first road on the left. Just after the cars will show this. About it.
Learn how to drive an Audi A3. What's this? A2 car? It's huge.
Just maybe coming behind the wall, maybe that's another reason you did not pick up like a bit closer like that. Now this time nobody's coming, that is how you decide it's safe to make a turn. But if you see somebody, you need to see the distance, how far they are, should I wait or not. If they flash you the lights, like if they flash the lights, of course you can signal now.
Now I understand.
Yeah, we went all the way up to
Oh
there.
yes.
It's okay. As I said, it's very easy to
Miss it.
line, single line, double line.
I see.
So you're gonna use the second single line
Yeah.
for the entry.
Okay.
Okay. So move when you're ready. We take that turn. So you signal and enter from this. Message if as a first person. Now, as you understand it, if again examiner will give at least now you know he's talking about one single, then double, then single, double. Removing the second single one. Now, at the end of the road, we take a left turn, joining the dual carriage. So first, what you do, because this is a very long turn,
Yeah.
so try to use all the space to the left until to the double lines, like corner, like that, and then make a good judgment that what time I should go, what time I just wait for others.
Go now.
Yeah, this is count a good gap now. Now, very easy way. Look at the back is definitely very far from you. So that means you done
Yeah,
good.
that's better.
Yeah, you done good. And now we go straight to the roundabout. Second exit.
So these are all, I mean, silly mistakes.
Yeah, small ones. As I
From
said,
the first 2 minutes of driving.
it happened because you will be nervous. Now keep left in the start. In the beginning, try to stay left. Yeah. So this judgment was okay. That when you get now stick to the left more. Go to the wall, and from wall do mirror signal. Next to the wall we do mirror signal, and then we can go. And cancel. Now, whenever you go to the road, try to stay 1 meter from the left all the time, because when you get near the junction and the line splits from 1 to 2, then you're already on the left. Sometimes what happened when you was coming, you was too much in the middle.
Yeah, I
When-
ended up on the right.
And then when you then you're moving back. If you stay left all the time, then it doesn't matter. When the line change into 1 and 2, you're already on the left. This is another important thing on the rain, because you can't see the lines changing. So now one zebra crossing mistake easily sorted.
Yeah.
That you just need to be look early. If they are there, I wait. If nobody, I go. Second, judgment is okay. Now I need a little bit bigger gaps. Smaller gap maybe is not so good. And if you already stay left from the roundabout is always okay. Staying left also okay. Okay. Because I know there is a 2 line, but you can't see it's 2 lines.
And now they merge as well.
Yeah. So that's why it's a bit hard sometimes to justify on the rain day that where we should be.
Yeah.
You want to cross the turn like that. The last time when you came, it was empty. It was a good decision. But each time you come, it can be different. You never know. And these kind of places, examiners are very careful to see your judgment, because they are not same. Every time you come
Yeah.
is different, and you also don't know how the other guys are behaving.
Yeah.
You can't rely on somebody.
It's not just about me, it's about the
Others as well. Yeah, I don't see like now.
No, he blocked my view completely.
So you don't know what to do.
No, but I think it's good to go now.
Yes, no. See, staying there for few seconds extra still count as safe.
I did something when I was driving I was not sure of. I adjusted the mirror
Just
while I was driving. Is that okay? This one?
you can do it if you don't lose control. You can, because you also operate these things as well while driving. So if you don't lose control, you can. But if you have a doubt, then they stop you, move you, then you can do it. Okay. Now taking a left turn, you did good that you was waiting for that. Then you look properly, you enter. But that's where you should have waited for the red car to go first.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, there was a car here also she's blocking.
Yeah. And this is a 40 road, that's why it's more important to judge. Because if they're coming 40,
Yeah, I'm slowing them.
you're slowing them down, or maybe they're coming more than 40, we don't know. Maybe they're 45, which people always do extra. And then I was looking here to this guy, I was like, okay, she's taking a bit time to make it. This guy coming too close to
Yeah,
her.
he was.
And I was like, okay, now maybe this guy thinking to overtake her. And then this guy go with you all the way up to the light.
Yeah.
And then when he stopped right, then he passed you from the left. So then he stuck behind you for so long. And I was like, I think we are disturbing him. And that is how they judge then, should I give you minor or major. But where the story starts from the turning, if you done okay, then it's not your problem.
Yeah.
So if you done it okay, now he's close to you, then you can say it's not your problem. Now, standing water, you're allowed to use this line more than the left. Okay?
The gap in between.
No, like closer to the white color.
Okay.
So you can stay more right in these situations are allowed. So like you can use the right mirror and stay more right than the left because of the water.
To avoid, yeah.
The standing waters. Water can splash to the other pedestrian as well. That is, imagine you driving fast, water there, you splash somebody completely, wet them up. It's not a good concentration to the. It's not a good attitude.
Yeah.
And they will say you are not taking care of the vulnerable road users on the road. You can't too close and splash on him like that. You have to consider your hazards next to the water. Now take a right turn into the light. So mirror signal right and stay close to the white line now. Like closer to the lines. Use your brakes. More closer. Use your brakes. More brake and go almost in the middle. About here. Now this light not for you. So you just go. So this light is not for you. So we're just thinking of the car. When they stop, you go. Sometimes people stop on the light. It can be dangerous.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going left. And that's where you see the van that time parked up.
Yeah.
Okay. So anytime you see somebody on the road parked up, or this one I was talking about. So if you know he's jumping too much, then examiner say at least off the gas.
Yeah.
So like now, don't press anything, keep rolling, but without pressing anything. That still looks okay then. Okay. But don't push.
Yeah.
Some humps are higher.
Yeah.
That's why you just, if you're not sure, they say at least when you touch the first one and you feel the jump is too much, then you need to see which car you're driving. If you're carrying a very important thing in your car, like eggs,
Yeah. Yeah. The
child,
broken.
kids, they jump. The kids at the back, they can jump. If you have some bags in your, they can fall down on your kids. So there are a lot of considerations. They say just figure out if you feel it. Normal is okay, just like normal. Standing water. So now use the right mirror, stay closer to the white line and try to stay here more. Like this, like closer to that side. Yeah. Now go slow to the bend. And that's your bend sign. And using the white color as more as your reference. And whenever you see the lot of water, like this guy think, then you cover the brake, go slow in the waters. Okay? Even your tires are a little bit touching the white color lines, it's not a problem. Like now cover the brake, for example, check the mirrors, and you're allowed to cross the line and back in your line. This is also allowed. After look mirrors, everything is okay, no one in front or back of you. You are even allowed to cross the line and come back again. Standing water you can take as a hazard. like a parked car, and you like overtaking them.
Okay.
Same logic. Okay. Because sometimes if these waters goes to your engine, to your silencer, exhaust, you maybe they will cut the engine and the car will be turned off, and just like in the middle of like a breakdown car. Now if you can take a left turning in the same one. Your signal was running a bit extra last time, but you cancel still on time, so I said is okay. Okay, like now. So slow down, look right. You can cross the line completely. Look left, and you're back. This is allowed, but after looking. So if you see again more water like that, you are allowed to cross the lines. Stay very center of the road, like this, and drive in the middle. And drive a little bit slow for a water reason. And that way you can avoid this side of the water then. And then if there is no one coming, you can stay here a little bit using the line. Now it's no water, then slightly back and then back again. Water is your hazard, okay? Remember that way. Water is your hazard. You want to be on the tarmac, like a dry area more. As much safe you can. Yeah, like this. And I can pick up some speed when you empty. If you're not picking the speed, they say I understand, but when you get chance, you do it. So for example, if this road is 60, this is the national limit, 60 miles. We can stay less when we need it, and soon we get chance, we want to go up again. So like now, nobody's coming, look mirrors, you can be more out and use like that. And now we take a left turn in the street. The worst thing, they don't cancel the test on the rain day.